Hello everyone, and welcome to another video from ForgottenLoot.org. In this video, we're going to look at unclaimed property in DC. That's Washington DC. We're going to check to see exactly if there's any money available for myself or maybe you. If you watch this video and you're thinking about how you're going to check to see, just watch this video. I'm going to show you exactly how it's done. I make it pretty straightforward for you, and you don't have to be afraid of anything. These websites are secure and your information is protected, and if you have anything, we will let you know and you can file a claim immediately. So here we are on the dc.gov's unclaimed property website, and as we can see, total properties returned to the rightful owners last year 2020 is 42,389, totaling 16,660,000. We can see that they returned. Now I'm pretty sure they have a ton of unclaimed property still there. According to this list that I have, they have over let's see, over $1 billion still in unclaimed funds. So there's still a lot of people out there still waiting to claim their money, their property. Unclaimed properties are in businesses or cash, dividends, stuff like that, bonds. And we're gonna let you see how it's done here. We're gonna click get started, and again we're gonna use my name. I'm not gonna put none of this stuff in here. And we're gonna hit search. You don't have to put any first name, but to narrow this down, we can just kind of make it. You can see we have some here. We have person here. We can see they have a couple under 50, under 50, under 50, under 50. You see someone has shares here, share value over 50, over 50. Anderson Curtis, gonna hit next. Over 50. You see a lot. There's a lot. It says it has 987 under Curtis. You can see more going down. You can see more going. You can see more over 50, over 50. Under 50, under 50, over 50, over 50, under 50. Let's see, keep going. As you can see, over 50, over 50, over 50. It's a lot of $50 here. It's a lot over 50 under that name. Enter this file a claim. Let's pick someone here. Let's pick this person. Don Curtis. I'm going to click claim, and we have a view claim here. We're going to click that, and we're going to choose owner, estate representative, heir, or business owner. File a claim, and everything that has the red asterisk, we're going to make sure those areas are filled out. State. Alright, and we're going to file a claim. Once you file a claim, and this information is where you currently live in. So it's not where you used to live or the address that's on that document. It's where you currently live, because they're going to send the money to you, to that address. So don't put your old address, put the current address. This is how they're going to know where to send your unclaimed fund. It's a 3-step process. So we're going to hit preview claim, next, claim summary, next, and that's about it. Alright, so that's how easy it is to submit a claim through the DC Unclaimed Money website. I'm going to go back here. I'm going to type another name in. next here. So let's see, James, we have a lot of names here. Apple Inc. over 50. Over 50. 50. So we can see all the address of the person who the unclaimed property belongs to. The company that sent the unclaimed property to the state, and the amount. You have a claim number here, or a property ID. They assign a property ID to everything. So name, address of the person who the unclaimed property is owed to, the company that sent the unclaimed money to the state, and the amount of the unclaimed property. So hit next. Next. Over 50, over 50, over 50, under 50. Keep going. I could just go on and on and on. We can see everything that's here. I would just enter your name, and again, same steps. Claim, view. In this case, let's do estate representative. File claim, fill out the information. So if I was an estate representative, my information will go here. Alright, that's how simple it is to file your claim on the DC Unclaimed Property website or portal. Again, it's straightforward, and you'll be able to claim. I think within 2 weeks you'll get your unclaimed funds. Thanks for watching, and like our video, share our video, please subscribe to our channel. Hopefully, I'm hoping this video helped you in some way, and let other people know about it. Help somebody. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.